Welcome student. Today in this video lecture we will learn three MySQL string function ltrim, rtrim and trim and two numeric functions sign and abs. First function ltrim. It removes leading white spaces character of a string passed as a argument. Syntax ltrim string. Here string is an argument because it is put in opening and closing parenthesis. So whatever you put in opening and closing parenthesis all are argument. Now come to the example. So this is my MySQL window. Let me show one example. Select ltrim and then there is one string, suppose Loyola, then again white spaces, semicolon, enter. Now look here, all the white spaces before Loyola are removed and after Loyola all the white spaces are as it is. But here there is some confusion because there are too much white spaces showing here because due to this long column name. So this time I am doing this one as alias. Suppose this is and then trim or better type template. So this temporary is alias, this is temporary name, you already studied. So enter. Now look here, all the spaces just after Lola is showing here. So I think student you understood this ltrim. Ltrim again I am repeating, ltrim removing white spaces from left side. Okay, now let me show this ltrim example in a table. So suppose this is one table, book table. Select this book table and here there are white spaces before this the Martian and again white spaces, but this time I'll show how to remove white spaces from this row only. So I'm writing the code. The code is update table name set name equal to ltrim name where book id equal to 3231 semicolon enter. Showing one row affected. Let me check this one. Suppose this is select as from book. No, look here, these white spaces, earlier white spaces before the Martian, but this time this white spaces are removed. So student, I hope you understood this function ltrim. Now similarly you do rtrim yourself. I'm not showing how to do rtrim. Now move to the next function. Now trim. It removes white spaces character as well as any specified set of character from both side, leading or trailing. It has two syntax. First one, trim string. It removes white spaces from both sides. Second one, trim both leading trailing are options. Among these we can use any of them, and remove string is a specified string that has to be removed. Now come to the example. So let me show this select suppose string and this is one string. I'm putting Loyola and then semicolon enter. So here white spaces from both sides are removed, but it is showing here some white spaces due to again this column name. Let me show with more clear. Suppose this is column aliasing with name side white characters are removed. So I hope student you understood. Let me show this trim second with second syntax. So example is suppose select trim, and this is suppose both this suppose leading, and this is asterisk sign, then from, then this is one asterisk, then put here Loyola, and then again I'm putting asterisk signs, sorry, asterisk signs, semicolon, enter. So here asterisk sign from left side removed. Why? Because you use leading. Similarly, whenever you put instead of leading both, then the both side asterisk will be removed. Whenever you put trailing, then only right side asterisk sign will be removed. So student, I hope you understood this one. Let me show this example in table. So again I'm showing this table. Select asterisk from book, enter. So here this time I will remove all the white spaces from leading and trailing using trim function. So this time select, and sorry, not select, update command, update, then table name book, then set name equal to trim, and then name. So message is showing 3 row affected, this one 2 and this 3 row affected. So let me show all the data. Select asterisk from book. So all the white spaces are removed. Now this time all the white spaces are removed. Now the next example I'll show how to remove this hyphen signs from both the side. First I'll show, okay, first directly I'll remove from both the side. So I'm going to write the code, update table name book, set name equal to trim, then here write both, then specified character. What is the specified character? That is hyphen from name. This name is a column name, semicolon, enter. So only one row is affected. Why? Because this hyphen sign is only with one record. Now again let me show all the record. Here this all white is hyphen signs are removed. So I hope you student you understood this two functions, ltrim and rtrim. Now we are going to move on. Now we are going to learn two numeric function, that is sine function and abs function. So first one is the sine function. Sine, it returns the sign of number. If number is positive, returns 1. If number is 0, returns 0. If number is negative, return -1. Let me show an example. This is very simple example. So simply whenever you put, suppose select sine, this is suppose 24, 34, then press enter, the showing is 1. Why? Because this is positive number. Similarly, when you can use with this function with negative sign, suppose this is 1 sine, then 0, and then one function sine positive number, any positive number. Okay, now so -1, 0 and 1. So I hope you understood this one, sine function. Now next function is abs. It returns the absolute value. Absolute value means without negative. Suppose this is example, select abs and I'm putting any number, this one, and suppose again abs with negative values, semicolon, enter. And so here abs means absolute value is this one and this one without negative sign. So student, here I am winding up this video lecture. I hope you understood all the functions whatever I taught today. So in case of any doubt, let me in comment section. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.